Hey Lawn Care Nation, hopefully you guys are all doing well. Today's an exciting day. As a lot of you guys know, if you've seen my last video, I picked up a 2021 Exmark Navigator, and today is the first mowing day with it. So excited to get it out and try to use it. I say try because it's the tail end of August here. Last week of August 2021, and we've had a very crazy, super hot and dry summer. Tons of forest fires throughout the province of British Columbia, with like complete towns burning down and stuff. So a lot of lawns have not seen much love in terms of water because of watering restrictions and stuff. And a lot of people here, the majority do not have irrigation systems. So I'm gonna put the mower out there because I want to get it on the lawn and try using it. But like I say, we've just had a couple of days where it just started to rain, so really not enough yet to make a difference on the lawns. So just looking at the lawn that I've pulled up to here, yeah, it's not a ton of grass to cut, but it's one of the lawns that I like taking new equipment to practice on. Just because it's sort of a wide open area. It's easy to get to the backyard. It's got a little bit of a hill and berm and stuff. I've been mowing this one for many years. I've mowed this lawn with pretty much every piece of equipment I've ever owned has been on this piece of property. So let's get the Navigator out there and we'll see how it does. All right, so you can see on this property, it's got a bit of a hill, a berm along there, so I like to practice with new machines on this property. You can also see a ton of trees around here, so it'll be a great test for leaf cleanups coming this fall. This property always gets a ton of leaves. So you can see the grass isn't too crazy. It's just starting to green up a bit again. You can still see some of the mowing lines and stuff, but we'll throw the Navigator on there and see how it does, and see get some time on the seat navigating it. Kind of a shame having to get it dirty. It's so pretty right now, but hey, that's what it's for, right? got. Normally here you can see I just dump clippings in this pile. Alright, so not too bad. Got a bit of clippings in there as well. So there you have it, Lawn Care Nation, the first mow with the 2021 Exmark Navigator. As you can see on this first lawn here, I took it really slow just to get familiar with the machine. It's probably been about 14 years or so, 12 to 14 years. Since I owned the walker and was using that on a regular basis. But you know, so far so good. I guess it's kind of like riding a bike. Once you kind of learn that style of controls, you know, it is easy to get back on there. Just trying to retrain your brain to be aware of that hopper box in the back swinging around when you're doing your turns is sort of the biggest thing. And just the feel of that out front deck. Being a full floating deck, because it moves with the contours of the lawn. Your legs and your knees are going up and down as you're going along the lawn and along these berms and stuff, and any hills are going up. You know, your body kind of clamshells as you get to a bottom of a hill, and that deck kind of folds up, riding the contour while the body of the machine is still coming down. So just that sort of stuff getting used to. Some of the takeaways right away that I noticed on this machine, it has a lot wider rear tires than my original walker did. So it actually did really well on these berms going sideways. I remember with a walker, I'd have to kind of go up and down them with the deck and just kind of back and forth to cut them. But this one kind of rode sideways, no problem. Those big, large drive tires really grab the hill well, at least here in the dry conditions. And the seat was another thing I noticed right away. I remember on the walker, the standard seat that comes with it, that sort of taller looking hard seat, was just that. It's hard. And I'd always slip forward sitting on it, where this one really reminds me of like a bus driver seat. If you've ever gotten into you know, a city bus and you see this sort of that kind of really cushy seat that a bus driver sits in, that's what this sort of felt like. You know, when you sit in it, it looks like it's a hard seat when you're looking at it, but when you sit in it, you kind of sink in and it kind of hugs the contours of your body. And it was, there's a lot of padding. So it was actually really comfortable for being just the basic seat that comes with it. It's not the suspension option or anything like that. It's just the basic seat. I found it to be really comfortable compared to the walker that I had many years ago. So, so far so good. Unfortunately, like I said, not too much grass to actually cut, so you can't really tell cut quality and stuff like that at the moment. But in the coming weeks, that'll come get a lot better. As we start to get a lot more rain. Like I said, we had some rain moving in already, and you know, traditionally through September, that'll pick up and the lawns will green up and start growing like crazy again, and then we'll get all the leaves coming down, and there'll be lots of great you know, testing to be done with this Navigator. So stay tuned to more videos to come. So that's it for this one, guys. Here's to wishing you guys all overwhelming success and freedom in your lawn care business. Make sure you leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the Exmark Navigator.